Hello and welcome, my name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out on Microsoft operating system using inbuilt tools and then few tools that are freely available by Microsoft to do stuff like get into this drawing mode and do stuff like get into whiteboard and then do draw the rectangle, arrow, straight line, and then we can also use this to type something after drawing this ellipse. If you just press T and start typing, you would be able to type something. So it's not just the whiteboard, you can start drawing in the blackboard as well, and to erase everything you press E and you get out of this. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what are the options that we have here. You can see this is Microsoft Windows 10, and with Windows 10 you get Magnifier. It's available on 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 as well. So to tweak Magnifier, you simply go to menu, settings, and then ease of access. And here on the left you'll see you got Magnifier, and it's by default turned off. You can use keyboard shortcuts to turn it on and off. To turn it on, you simply press Ctrl plus sign on the keyboard together and it will be on. So let me show you. Now you can see it's on. If I press one more time Windows key and plus, it will zoom in. If I want to zoom out, I will press Windows minus, right? So let it be turned off. You can do it manually or you can press Windows escape. So if I just turn it on and I press Windows escape button, it's off now. You can see it here. And this is change zoom level. You can increase it, decrease it, and then you have few more options that you can play with yourself. If you want to this magnifier to start whenever you turn the computer on, you can check this. These are a few other options that you can customize for yourself. I'm happy with the mouse pointer. You can go with the keyword focus, text cursor, and narrator cursor, whatever, right? So these are a few options with the magnifiers, and it's very easy to use. You simply have to press Windows plus and plus sign to turn it on, and then zoom in with Windows plus and zoom out with Windows minus, exit with Windows escape button. All right, then there's another tool by Microsoft. It's the Zoomout. You can download it. It's freely available on Microsoft website. Simply go ahead and Google it, Zoomout download from Microsoft. And with this Zoomout, you simply get few more options. So you can see you got a zoom option with Control 1, live zoom. I don't use it. I use draw, but you can explore it. With Control 2, type. You can start typing something and draw. In this session, Control 2 session, you can break by pressing Control 3. Okay, so this is going to be kind of a break thing. So if you want to take a break for like 4 minutes, 5 minutes, right? So let me go ahead and show you. So first thing first, you can launch this zoom in feature by pressing Control 1. You can see. To exit, it's the same thing, Control escape. You can get into live zoom session by pressing Control 2. And now I can draw something here, right? By pressing Shift, I can draw a straight line. Control Shift, I can use an arrow. If I want to draw a rectangle, this is how I can do it, by pressing Control. If I want to draw an ellipse, that would be by pressing Tab. You can also change the color of the lines and rectangle ellipse by pressing R as in red, B as in blue, Y as in yellow, P as in pink, and these are a few options. You can also press E to erase everything. To get into board mode, whiteboard and blackboard mode, you simply press W as in whiteboard, and you can do everything that we did and you can also type by pressing T. So you can start typing here, right? You can see you can start typing. You can exit by pressing E. So first you'll have to press escape and then E, and you're out. To get into blackboard mode, you press K, and you can do everything that we did. Guys, this is zoom break option with Zoomin. So you can see if I press Control 3, this will be 4-minute break, okay, on the system. So kind of a timer. You can also select an image in the background, otherwise it will be just your Windows banner, whatever you have, wallpaper. Okay, so this is how you use zoom it break. For whatever minute, you can just customize it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below and I will try to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Take care.